Alright guys, now let me wipe up my good mouth. Ready? Alright guys, so listen now. Now today is a blessed day, right? We have to say thank God for each and everything. We have to thank God for life. We have to thank God for strength. We have to thank God for health. Those are the most important things, right? We have to say thank the Almighty to wake up. We have strength. We have health. We have to thank the Almighty for that. And that is a blessing, right? So we're going to start off the day, right? But all our family here, guys, we thank God for everybody who tune in on the platform. Everybody we show with love. Amen, sister. Right? Everybody who show with love. Everybody who show with strength. Everyone who come in and shows, like, give us positivity. You understand? We have to push us forward. Guys, big up to everybody. Alright? So, guys, you don't know, so welcome to the Annie fam. And this is the old Annie fam, guys. Alright? Up to the driver of the family. And he's no driver. Alright, YouTube. Alright, we get that. We get that. Right? The driver, we don't buy nobody a call with driver, no driver. The driver with family. Right? So we have Akiwalk. And Akiwalk are going to be a person available today in, because remember say LD now, but all of them are one fam. Akiwalk. Yeah. Right? So everybody play them own part. Alright? Everybody play them own part. There's no driver thing, it's a family. I don't want nobody to come call nobody no driver this, no driver that. Aki ants. One Akiwalk. Alright? I don't want nobody to disrespect no one on the team, because I one team. However, when we have a problem, we're going to know how to deal with the problem. Now, the viewers know, I got said, okay, then, yo, we think said this right, that somebody did wrong, or so forth. The viewers supposed to be truthful. And, you know, it's so, sometimes I'm not biased, you know. Sometimes I'm not biased and I don't like it. I'm not biased bad. I'm not learn if you talk the truth when time we put certain things to, you know, so we can vote on it. Alright? Aki ants. Yes, Aki ants. Alright? So guys, Chanel and Tajay, Chanel and Draga come late. So them never get them room, right? So them supposed to get a room today. But they're here because they end up coming later off and whatever. Right? No. The thing is this. I want to ask you a question before we move forward. With TT, we soon talk about TT. We soon talk about TT because TT end up become a problem. We soon talk about TT, alright? So, where have I look on? You know, say God knows something just whopping on my head and say, Annie, go on a papi in. Like one look of vice. Like one look of vice popping on my head. I don't know if I'm mad part of my vice or if I'm the good part. Because you know, some of the time you have one angel the right so, and you have a devil come right so. And you look and say. So I think the angel they on one side and the devil on the other side. Right? So listen now. I'm there something popping on my head and say, Annie, go on a papi in. Go a papi in. I mean, I say, go papi for one. I mean, I said, you know, where I do? And I said, no, Annie, go to papi. And the next one said, don't go to papi. Don't go to papi. And the one said, go on a papi. But the thing is this, them say, I owe a bill a papi. I know say, I got papi go pay that bill them. We show you how brawling me is. We show you how brawling me is. They say, I owe a bill a papi. I there a papi and I come a papi and trust people things a papi. Bro, I would go a papi in and pay the woman there papi in. You don't believe me? I know me I go talk to the driver. I say if the driver say that can't me go papi in, I stop me right at the woman shop. I just pull up. Yeah. Just pull up right at her shop and just come out and just come so back and say, lady, how much more owe you? And if I beg me, if I beg you money, me pay you. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes when you show people say you're brawling, if you show people say you're brawling, you're not run no joke because they don't own no way. They don't own no way in Jamaica, you so. Me ask the driver. You see, the driver say, yeah, me a pull up a papine. Remember me tell you, right in the drive and just pull up right at woman shop. Guys, una go see it. Una go see it. You say, once the driver say, don't go. Guys, watch this now. Me a pull up. Me a pull up. Me a pull up. You say, I owe you, lady. I want you to tell me how much I owe you, what I owe you for. I'm going to come so butt up and pay your bill right on social media. You see me? Because it's enough for you to get put in a place. And that me I tell you, we a pull up a papi in. Once my driver say I'm okay for drop in, just be careful. We a pull up a papi in. Everything I go on camera, so nobody can do me nothing. Everything I go on camera, so nobody understand. You know. What do you mean by nonsense? What do you mean by? No, it's not. Wrong move. So all of my people they don't think a good move. Morning. I wanna go. Seriously? No. We don't. So hold on, let me ask you a question. So now the one person in our crowd, one person there in our chat right now, no think so we should have pull up a papi in. Now the one smarty. Now one smarty think we go pay the woman say me owe her bill. Right? The woman say me owe her bills. Hold on, pinny mad. Mad, you can pin the comment, you know? Moderator, you can pin the comment. No, don't make caller. Me no know her number. Go, don't. Girl, you get vote out. You get vote out. Alright, must be read the comment. Hold on. To move on. No, why you? Alright, me don't say no. Hear that somebody, you know. If everybody's searching for so, guys, don't get the chat wild up. We have more things to talk about. But me not lie to you. I would go. I would stubbornly go. I swear to you upon my life, I would go. But me I think Pani and I say. Alright, done that. Anyway. So guys, we do have a problem. I could leave that alone. We move on. Just be careful. Alright, move on. We move on. They say today have to be positive. Everybody vote for positive today. Right? So we have a problem and we have to deal with the problem in the house. Now we're gonna go around in the house. A lot of you